really thought that was this was the way in.
Wrong way, huh?
Yep. Oh, enter is this way. That was a little confusing.
I thought they were going to come after us.
Yeah. Hi everybody and welcome back to Christina Goody's Car Wash Vlogs. This time I am over here on Gibson at the newest Champion Xpress car wash, and we are going to give this one a try. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and pay for a wash.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
How are you today?
Doing pretty good.
Do you have membership with us or no?
No.
No? So these are our single membership prices I mean right here. These are our single washes.
I'm going to do the number one.
Number one? This right here?
Yep.
So it'll be $21.55?
Did take
Do you have a card or?
Not sure I have enough on my card.
Oh, okay. Because, yeah, with card only. We used to do cash, but since it's Albuquerque, they kept breaking into the machines and stealing all the money.
Gotcha.
And since it was so expensive to replace, the company went card only.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm sorry about that. We got a little bit of a problem with money management, but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and give this one a try. Why is he on his phone?
All right, let's see some fun.
I gave him a thumbs up.
Is it neutral?
Yes. I'm going to stay quiet for the rest of the duration. Out of the shot. says go. That was pretty awesome. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. So I thank you very much for watching this. Have a very good day, y'all, and we will see you all next time. Bye now.